Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin bread with cream cheese frosting. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the butter that's been melted and cooled, pumpkin puree. It must be pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix, eggs that are at room temperature, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're combined. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the well, and mix them until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. And make sure to really scrape the bottom of the bowl to mix in all the dry flour. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out to level the top. And bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a small or medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese. Then sift over the powdered sugar. Mix them with a spoon at first. Then beat it with an electric mixer until it's well combined and smooth. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the pumpkin bread is completely cooled, spread the cream cheese frosting all over the top. And that's how to make a pumpkin bread with cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.